traders, Anthony here, looking at the dollar Swiss. Look, we're trading into this level here, but there's room for this to trade up a little higher. I am expecting a retrace, but it could range in here, it could spike up a little higher, anything could happen. But what we'll do, we'll cover that in the video. So let's just mark this up to start with as a daily key level on the 1D. There it is. Right, so we've got this distribution, balance area, 1 day, and significant imbalance, bearish imbalance here. It's resolved that. Now we're back up into this level here. Bullish. Let's go down the time frames and get a little bit closer. That's the weekly, not a daily. W, yes, there's plenty of room up there for this to wiggle around. Let's just go down to the daily. All right, so we've got this daily balance area through here. I'll grab this candle, bearish order block on the 1D. Let's mark that up. So 1D, weekly, nested. I'll be looking for a buy. I don't want to get involved up here, okay? And the next port of call for me is going to be down in here, and I'll tell you why. Let's just mark that up as a daily bullish accumulation zone. Now, before I continue, make sure you click the links below, check my website, and join our Telegram group. It's free. See what we've got here. We've got this bullish imbalance, and we could mark that up, this thin candle here. If we grab the candle on the left and the candle on the right and pull that through, so that's on the daily time frame. I would expect that to fill at some stage. I mean, it can take a few days, who knows, but we need to have that marked up as a point of interest. Then we go down to our lower time frames, and we'll get a bit closer to the action. I'm just going to save that. Okay, that's significant. I would think a move down in here would really get me interested in going long. So have a look at this now on the 4H. So we can see weakness coming into this. Lower highs. Yeah, a bit of a wedge or whatever. But on the 4 hour, we've got, see where price is currently trading, and then we've got this 4H up here, this green candle. I'll just pick that up, and I'll pick up, well, you know, we are trading this distribution level on the 4H here, and pull them through. All right, so we've got this nested daily, weekly, and then 4H down in here. So that's a key level. Then we've got this running through. See, we're trading right in to this bearish, well, this distribution level on the 4 hour historically. And, you know, it's ranging in here, right? So what's happening at the moment, it's building liquidity above and below this range. You've got a lot of retail traders in here, both buying and selling. I'm looking for the breakout of this range and then some kind of move. But here's the thing. Have a look at this. See this thin candle? Pick up the candle left and right. Here we have a 4 hour imbalance. That's significant. So we'll just mark that 4H. I prefer to go with the trend, and the trend is bullish on the higher time frame. So I'm going to refrain from shorting it, and I'm going to be looking for an entry down in around here through this imbalance, down into the high of this daily. In fact, we can also grab, yeah, well, we've got this red candle, this balance area under on the 4H. So good to have that marked up, because if you go down to, you know, the 1 hour, the 15 or 30 minute, 15, whatever, you know, you've got these markings, these markups on the chart. So let's just set that up. That's a 4 hour balance area nested with a daily, this imbalance. My plan of attack with this, it's going to be pending buy, and I would set it up something like that. I'm going to go under this daily bullish order block here with my stop. So this is a set and forget scenario. And if you're looking to take profit, I would go T1 at 1-to-1 risk reward. So that would be my T1. Where are we? We'll just name it. So that's T1, and I generally take 2/3 of my position, not 70%, it'd be about 65%. I need to change that. So that's T1. Then I will be going to town with the risk reward, and the idea is to trail the rest of it. So like if we go back, see, imagine if you jumped in down in here, you took 65% off and then trailed 1/3 of your position. Look at that, right? So that's the kind of outcome I would like to see. Guys, that's my take on the dollar Swissy. But I'm looking for something like, yeah, and off to the races. Okay, guys, click the links below, comment. I'd love to hear your thoughts on this. Hope you have a great day, safe trading, and we'll see you in the next video.